Hey, good afternoon. How you doing? I'm Amber Hopkins. I'm Punk Rock Earth Mother. I am a holistic health advocate. So today I found this awesome recipe for, they're called stress balls. So it's by Rosalie de la Forêt. She's an herbalist. She's fantastic. I would call them stress balls, like they do in Chicago. My friend Fred Cardello would call them balls. Okay, so we're gonna make some stress balls. So we're gonna use some crazy herbs today. Some Ayurvedic herbs. Did you hear that weird voice? Anyway, so I have this in my kitchen, shatavari. Can't see it, the light's weird. It's called shatavari powder. It's a type of asparagus, so don't get freaked out. I know it's weird names and everything, but it's just asparagus. Just think of it, asparagus. This one is called Mucuna pruriens. Okay, this one is actually just a legume, a tropical legume, fancy. Also called velvet bean. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna use some licorice. Now you've heard of licorice, right? Licorice powder. I actually bought the root on accident. It looked like tree bark. So yeah, it looks like mulch. I'll put some mulch in the balls, in the bells. Okay, sweet. So to get started, we're gonna just mix up the herbs together, and then we're gonna add them to the nut butters. Okay, so we're gonna make these like balls out of it, like granola, kind of like granola bars, or like snack balls. These are for adults, and they're not for pregnant people. Okay, these herbs are not for pregnant peoples. Okay, if you've got a baby in here, don't make it. Okay, let's see. Shatavari. So these are all for stress. Okay, so that's the point of this recipe. So this is a pretty big recipe too. It makes a lot. Okay, so half a cup of shatavari. So what is shatavari good for? Depression. Also helps your hormones. So female and male hormones can get regulated with this stuff. So this is kind of fantastic. You know, fantastic little mix up here. Half a cup of shatavari. Where can I get these crazy herbs? Amazon, your local crunchy store. This is Banyan Botanicals. They make them on Amazon. You can get them on Mountain Rose Herbs, Etsy, I'm sure. Mucuna pruriens. So again, this one's Mucuna is good for, it's a precursor to adrenaline and noradrenaline and dopamine. So that's why this will help with your neurotransmitters and help calm you down. Antioxidant, helps with stress. So dopamine is mood and cognition. Okay, so it'll make you smarter. Yay! I love to be smarter. I would love to be smarter. So this is going to help. Half a cup of shatavari, half a cup of Mucuna pruriens. Okay. Quarter cup of licorice. I've never actually tried the Mucuna. I bought it a couple weeks ago for my hormones. But the shatavari tastes like, I don't know, kind of like flour. The licorice tastes like licorice. I already tried that. Mucuna, let's try it. Kind of like, there's an end taste to it. A little strange. Yeah, don't eat it plain. There you go. That's my advice to you. Don't eat it plain. It's not terrible, it's just kind of musty tasting. Or like if you ground up some dirt and a mushroom. Okay, and then I'm going to add some of this powder because vegetables. Why wouldn't you put vegetables in when you can? This is also, this powder actually has fermented rice, and it's got some other adaptogens for stress and adrenals. It's got a bunch of mushrooms in it, so you can get your mushroom intake. I did a video on that if you want to check that out. So I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of this. This one's a chai flavored, so it'll make sway the flavor, so it doesn't taste like musty mushrooms. 3 teaspoons of that chai flavored powder. Woohoo! Okay, now we are going to add that to this nut butter, which you take the nut butter, it's 1 cup of tahini, 1/3 of a cup of almond butter, and 1/2 a cup of maple syrup, which is a lot. It's a lot of sweet right in there, but it's a big recipe. And also, you got to sway these powders because they're gonna, otherwise it's gonna be kind of dry and yucky. So you take those on the stove, the tahini, the almond butter, and the maple syrup, and you melt them down. and then you can stir the powders into it much easier and stir them together much easier. I'm just going to dump the powders into here. Grab my spoon and gently mix them. Have you guys ever like thrown up the, like been mixing a cake flour or something and all the flour? Yeah, I've done that. Always fun. Okay. This is a lot of powder. Still mixing. Mix and mix and mixing. So how's your day going? Tell me how you're doing today. I've been running around all day like a crazy person. Doctor's appointments, taking my kid to a friend's house, and picking up the other kid, and just been like crazy. I'm curious about something. Does that make me a soccer mom? Even though there's no soccer involved, am I just automatically a soccer mom? Give me a 1 if you think I'm a soccer mom. Because I wonder about things like this. Or does it actually have to be about soccer? Strange, huh? Or is it just about running around all day, driving your kids everywhere? Because that I do. Like a crazy person. Okay. It's mixed in pretty nice. So then, when it cools down, you can add some cacao. Cacao. I kind of like saying that. Cacao. I'm going to do this. Yeah, I think so too, Kadasha. Like I am, yeah, totally with you. Is that how you pronounce your name, Kadasha? I like that name. Okay, this is good and mixed up now. Now it's starting to get more like granola-y, like something that would actually form a ball. That's what we want. What is that chunk in there? There's like a random chunk. I don't know what that is. I'm taking it out. That's how I roll. Kadasha. Sorry. Kadasha. Okay, I like it. Appreciate that. Alrighty. So now it's all mixed together. One more ingredient. Actually, 2 more, sort of. Half a cup of cacao nibs. You could probably use chocolate chips if you wanted. Half a cup of these. Yum, yum. I have not tried this recipe. You know, just to throw some nuts into the works. Oh no, you know what? Speaking of nuts, I forgot my chopped almonds, and I'm gonna put half a cup of chopped almonds in here too. At least I reminded myself. All right, roughly chopped almonds, half a cup. I should put this back in the bowl. It'll be a little bit easier to mix up, I think. A little hard to stir in this little tiny pan. Let's see. Alrighty. Yes, now we're building up to that consistency that can actually be rolled up. Kadasha. I got it. Yes, I'm doing a video. Okay. It almost looks like M&M's in here. It's crazy. What? Alrighty. I'm going to actually use my hands because they're clean and I'm like not able to use the spoon. But now it's starting to mix together much better. There. Look at. See? Like a ball. Okay. What I'm worried about is the taste. Like, I don't want to taste that. Those powders are kind of rough. I do want to taste, you know, chocolate and almonds, coconut. Okay, so the benefits of licorice. Why do we put licorice in here? That one's another adaptogen. It's pretty awesome. Can help with candida. If you have candida problems, I always use it for coughs and sore throats. Really, really good for respiratory problems, heartburn, ulcers, anti-inflammatory, and then of course adrenals for stress. So that's why we're using it today for the stress benefits. Also can help with your hormones too. So these balls are not only stress bells, but they are hormone bells as well. So pretty awesome. Okie dokie. I'm having pieces falling out of them. So the pieces, you can hear it. Can you hear it? It's like rain. All right. but it is forming balls, so that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna give it a taste before we finish this video, just to make sure it's not horrifying. Definitely not super sweet, actually. I was afraid it was gonna be super sweet. Really interesting flavor. Not terrible. I'm gonna think about this for a minute. It's good. I don't know if the kids will eat it or not. But we are gonna roll it in coconut, so maybe they will. So I've just got a pan here, and I'm just gonna make like 1-inch balls and roll it in coconut. Form little balls with your hands. Roll it in coconut, and then I'm gonna refrigerate these. Alrighty, there's balls number 1. So tell me how your day is, please. Entertain me. Why make these balls for you? For me. Actually, I'm not making them for you. You want to come over and have some? You can. She can't get her pants on. I have that trouble all the time for a different reason. Okay. Well, they are all set. Here's what they look like. What I would probably do would be to add just a tiny bit more sweet to it. Tiny bit more sweet. So add a little bit more maple syrup just to sway it a little bit. Okay? Otherwise, they're pretty dang good, and they will help you with stress and your mood and your hormones. Pretty awesome. Because sometimes these powders, like I do take them, but it's hard to take them. Like, what am I gonna do? Like lick the spoon, like lick the powder off the spoon in the morning? I throw some in my tea in the morning, but it's, you know, it's in chunks and it's awkward. So this will be much easier to eat. So awesome. Thanks for watching, and please share my video, and we will talk soon. I love you. Bye.